Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to solve this equation square root of x plus square root of x minus 12 is equal to 6. Consider this square root of x minus this square root of x minus 12 is equal to a. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. If we multiply this equation 1 and this equation 2, we will get square root of x plus square root of x minus 12. So square root of x plus square root of x minus 12 times this square root of x minus square root of x minus 12 is equal to the 6 times a, 6a. Or now applying formula a plus b times a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. To left side we will get square root of x, this as a, and a square minus b square means this square root of x minus 12 square is equal to right side, this is 6 times a. Or this square root and this square will cancel and it will be x minus, similarly this square root and this square it will cancel and remain x minus 12 is equal to right side 6a. Or simplifying, we will get x minus this x and negative times negative 12, this will be positive 12 is equal to right side is 6a. Or this positive x and this negative will cancel out and exchanging side we will get 6a is equal to this 12. Now divided both side by 6, we will get the value of a is equal to 12 divided by 6, this is 2. Now adding this equation 1 and equation 2, we will get from equation 1 square root of x plus square root of x minus 12 is equal to 6, and from equation 2 we have square root of x minus square root of x minus 12 is equal to a. So this positive square root of x minus 12 and negative square root of x minus 12, this will cancel and it will be square root of x plus square root of x 2 times square root of x is equal to right side, it will be 6 plus a. So 6 plus a. Or this 2 times square root of x is equal to, substituting the value of a is equal to 2, from here we can write this 6 plus value of a is equal to 2. Or this 2 times square root of x is equal to 6 plus 2, this is 8, or divided both side by 2, we will get the value of square root of x is equal to 8 divided by this 2, this is 4. Now taking square to both side, we will get the value of x is equal to 4 square, this is 16, and this is the value of x. Now if we verify this value of x in our equation, we have left side is equal to square root of x plus square root of x minus 12 is equal to, substituting the value of x is equal to 16, we can write square root of 16 plus square root of value of x is equal to 16 minus this 12. So we can write this square root of 16, this is 4 plus square root of 16 minus 4, this is 4. So square root of 4 is equal to this 4 plus square root of 4 is 2. 4 plus 2, this is 6, and right side we have 6, so same as right side. As left side is equal to right side, so the value of x is equal to 16 is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.